So
Yes.
next one, the relation between electric field, electric field and electropotential, or let me say it as the electric potential. You are already aware of the electric field. Now you just learned about your electric potential. You are going to relate that. Okay. So can you tell me what is the electric field due to any point charge? So let me take here one unit positive charge is there. Okay. One unit positive charge is there. It is a plus. Okay. So which is a moving in the some electrostat, which is electric field. So with a E. Okay. E along this. So at a point A and a B, these are the some positions. Means let me show it as if there is a displacement is happened by the particle. Okay. So the dr is the displacement. So if it is a moving with some velocity v at a point V, then it is come back to the same position B. If it is a moving this, let me write here as a v plus dv. Am I correct? Here the velocity is the v plus dv. So now we want to take the what is the difference. Okay. So let me show how the potential difference between the 2 points is related with your electric field as well as your electric potential. Okay. So let me take what will be the force acting on a particle here. The force acting on a, and the force be a test charge. Okay. The force is acting on the test charge. So let me write F is equals to Q into E. Can you remember this formula? Sonali, what is the electric field and force formula, ma? What is the relation between electric force and electric field formula? Sonali, Q F is equals to Q into E. This is the electrostatic force. This is electric field. Okay. Or let me write it as the F is equals to a Q naught E. Both are same. Okay. In some textbooks they given as a QE. At this some textbook they given as a Q naught E or plus one E. Okay. All are same. Okay. So this much force is acting on a, let me say, a test charge. Okay. So now I will see what is the work done. Okay. So the work done by the external force, by the external force agent in moving a Q naught from which position to which position I can move. So let me say it as a from the A to B, let me move A to B. So then let me write it as a dw is equals to what is the work done. What is generally what you meant by work done? Gagan, 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 Aryan, Gagan.
Attention,
Who is this? Gagan, huh?
Sundar ma'am.
Huh?
Sundar ma'am.
Inapa?
Sundar ma'am.
Sundar. Tell me what is the work done. Generally, what do you mean by work done?
Force into displacement, ma'am.
Force into displacement. Let me take it as force into a displacement. So then let me write it as we are doing by the external agent. We are moving in the opposite side. Let me take it as a minus F into we are doing this some displacement here. The displacement of a particle is a dr. Is it clear, students? A dw is equal to dr. So what is this negative sign indicates? This negative sign indicates that, so here has been introduced the dw. Okay, the dw is a positive when dr is negative. Okay, if it is a positive, this should be a negative one. Okay, so while q naught, whatever the q naught you are taking here, you're moving against the electric field. Are you getting my point? So if you this is a dw is a positive, means the r should be a negative sign. Okay, because the whatever the charge you are taken in a system, it should move against the E. So let me write it as a dw is equals to a minus f. I am already having that, so that let me write a q naught into E into dr. Am I correct? Yes or no? So let me write it as a dw divided by q naught is equals to a minus E into dr. Yes or no? dw by q naught is equals to minus E into dr. So what is the dw by q naught? Work done by charge. What is the total work done by charge? Yes. Work done to moving, work done to bringing a unit positive charge from the one point to the another point. What is that? Please respond. Work done to bringing a unit positive charge from the some point to the some point. Electric potential. Write it as that is a electric potential. Change in potential. A dw by a dv is equals to dw by a q naught. Okay. A work done by the test charge here. So let me write it as a work done by the a test charge. A dv is equals to dw by q naught. Okay. So then let me take a d. What is the thing you got in the last equation? So dw by,
1 minute, can you go to previous page one?
yeah, I'll show you dear. A dw by q naught is equals to minus E into dr. We have the dw by q naught is the dv. Then dv is equals to minus E. Okay, E into dr. So then let me write it as a E is equals to minus a dv by a dr. Okay, so this is the electric field and this is the electrostatic potential. Okay, so here let me say here a dv by dr. What is this dv by dr? Is the, I can say it as the a rate of change of potential, rate of change of a potential with a what? What is this R? What is this R?
Radius.
Radius, amma. Very good, amma. Distance is called a potential gradient. Have you taken anything here radius? Why you will tell without with absence mind? We have taken anything about some sphere or something.
No,
I'm
ma'am.
telling like I have taken one charge. I'm moving in the electric field with a certain distance. So then I'm telling like a distance and distance. You are telling radius. Okay. So the rate of change of potential with the distance, let me say it as a potential gradient dr. Okay. So what is this? The potential gradient means, so it is the rate of change of potential with a distance. Okay, so let me say about potential gradient. The potential gradient is the vector quantity because it will show you the direction. Okay, so then from this thing I can say you that the electric field, okay, the electric field intensity, the electric field intensity is equal to, yes or no, is equal to the a negative of the, a negative of the, which thing, negative of the what, a potential gradient. So in the cbsc and the pu also, if the paper you feel difficult means this question will be there in different manner. So show that electric field intensity of a particle is equal to the negative of the potential gradient. May ask like that, or what is the relation between electric field and the electric potential? Okay, so then also you need to derive this. Okay, is it clear students? Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no? Can I
Yes,
go
Yes,
to
ma'am.
ma'am.
previous page?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Take it
ma'am.
down. Please take it down. It's very important. If you have doubt, I will glance once again.
Ma'am, please glance once again.
Yeah, sure. Please take it down.
And what you wrote after that external work done by the external, what you wrote? No?
External agent. Aryan.
Next page.
Can I go for next page,
2
students?
minutes. 2
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how you got minus sign in DW?
Where? Because always the work done. So see here at a point A to B. So that's what I told you that. So work done by the external agent in moving the Q naught from A to B. But the electric field is in this direction, but I'm moving the charged particle from A to B means I'm moving field. Yeah, opposite direction against it. So that's what I have taken. The force is a negative. The reason also given, if should dw should be positive means the dr, the distance whatever traveling, it should be in the opposite direction. Then only we'll take it as what you say, this electric charge is moving against the electric field.
Next page, ma'am.
I'll go for next page, students.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Done. So this is about your electric field, electric potential, and the relation. Okay. So let me clear that one more. So electrostatic potential difference.
Can you show previous?
Yeah.
Done.
Done. Okay.
1 minute,
Just a
ma'am.
second, ma'am. Just a second.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Can I next part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the
Yes,
last,
ma'am.
yes. And next topic is about your potential difference. Okay. Potential difference. So what do you mean by difference? You already learned about the potential. So today we are going to discuss about the potential difference. Okay. So the potential, you already know that electrostatic potential means the work done to bringing a unit positive charge from this some infinity point to this certain point, right? So that is the potential you are going to take from certain point. you will take 2 points, some, just let me say one A point and a B point. Let me say this is a point and this is a B point. Okay, here the potential is a VA and here potential is a VB. Let me take. Okay, so the difference, okay, the potential difference means let me say is a delta V. Okay, delta V means the potential difference. Okay, so the potential difference between any 2 points, let me take A and B in an electric field. Okay, because these two are the charged particles, let me take in an electric field is defined as total work done, or the work done in a unit positive charge from unit positive charge. Unit positive charge means what, ma? Yes, unit positive charge means what? It is having the charge only +1. Okay, unit positive charge from this point to the this point. Okay, I will bring the one unit positive charge from the A point to the B point. So while keeping the charge in equilibrium, I'll keep the charges in equilibrium. I'll bring this unit positive charge from the A to the point B. Then let me say it as it is the potential difference. Okay, so let me write the potential difference. Please take it on, all of you. The potential difference, a delta V between the 2 points, between the 2 points A and B. I have taken here A and B in an electric field, in an electric field is defined as the work done, defined as the work done, a WAB. Okay, let me say it as a WAB in carrying a which charge, a unit, a positive charge, unit positive charge from a point A to B, from point A to B, while keeping the, what you say, the while keeping the charge equilibrium. So in 1 marks question they may ask you like this, the what do you mean by potential difference between the point A and the point B? So it is going to be defined as the work done in a carrying the unit positive charge. So let me write it as the unit positive charge from the point A to the point B. So when the charge is in a equilibrium. So let me write for the formula, delta V is the, I already told you that. So this delta V, it's so the change in a potential, let me write it as the VB minus VA. Okay, change in potential. So or else I can say it as the delta V is equals to the work done to moving, bringing a charge from the some certain point to the certain point. So then let me write it as the delta A, work done divided by a Q naught. Okay, work done divided by Q naught. Here VA and VB are defined as the electric potential at B point. Okay, so then we can write this equation as a delta U is equals to a Q naught internal energy. This work done I consider as a some energy. So the delta U is equals to Q naught into delta V. Okay, so which is equal to a WAB. Okay, so this is the electrostatic potential. Okay, is it clear, students? Is it clear?
Delta U.
Changing, sorry, energy. Let me consider as this work done in this system as a some energy. Maybe the potential energy, kinetic energy. I have considered as this some internal energy. Okay, is it clear? So then Q naught into delta V. So this is equals to WAB, right? Yes or no? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the electrostatic potential difference. Okay, so how you are going to measure this? measurement of potential difference? How you are going to measure the work done? How you are going to measure the work done?
Joules.
Joules. Charge?
Coulomb.
Coulomb. What is joule per coulomb? Is a volt. Okay, please remind like this. So 1 volt voltage. Okay, volt means, so how you're going to measure the potential difference in terms of volt? Okay, 1 volt is equals to joule per coulomb. Okay, so if you want to define the 1 volt, how you're going to define? How you're going to define the 1 volt? So if 2 point charges are there, okay, in the equilibrium state, to move from the some positive charge to the some point to the another point. So how much work done required? Okay, how much work done required to bring the 1 joule of a what you say 1 joule of work done has to be done for the 1 coulomb of the charge. That is that you can say it as the volt. By seeing this equation, you can define. Okay, is it clear, students? Yes or no? Please take it down this fast. We'll go first. Done. Please just
1 minute.
yeah. Done. Can I go for questions?
You can continue.
Yeah. So what is the question number in this chapter?
Fourth question.
Fourth question. Let me write. If 100 joules of if 100 joules of work done. 100 joules of work done. Has to be done in moving an electric charge of 4C of 4C means 4 coulomb 4C from a place where potential is V is potential V volt. Find the value of find the value of capital V. Okay. Try to analyze questions, students. So if the job of work done has been done in a moving the electric charge of a force from a place where the potential is V. So we will find the value of V. Okay. So here you are doing this work done moving a charge. Okay. So what is the charge here given? So let me write what is the given quantities over here.
Electric charge.
Yes, ma. How much? What is the charge? It is Q is equals to 4C, right? The Q is equals to 4C. And what about work done here? The work done from A to B, let me write it as 100
joules.
Okay, fine. Given this, you need to find out what is the potential difference, right? So the given like this. So 100 joules of from a potential. Sorry, I just missed something. So 4C place from a place of minus 10 volt to another place to another place like this. 10 joules, 100 joules of work done has to be done in moving electric charge from the 4C from minus 10 volt to the another place where the potential V volt. Find the value of the V. So means you are having the two values here. So the VA can't find out because it is electrostatic potential. Let me write this VA and VB. VA and VB. VA is given now how much? 10 volt. VB is the unit find out. Right? Since what is the formula for VA minus VB? Let me write it as VA minus VB minus VA is equals to WAB divided by Q naught. So work done is given is 100, right? Yes or no? Or else let me write it as V of minus 10. V is equals to 100 divided by 4. Okay, will you calculate it now and tell me the answer?
V plus 10 equal 25. V is equal 15.
Yes. How many people got the 15 answer?
Ma'am, 15, ma'am. Answer.
15, ma'am.
Who and all? Read your names. Show your book. Very good, very good. Show your books. Supreet. Supreet, show your book. Okay. Yes, good dear. Amit,
Yes,
show
ma'am.
your book. Did you got 15 or not? You got or not?
Ma'am, 15.
Who and all got? Please show your books. Yarado. Jai Surya. Good dear. What about you, Trisha? Jitin? Good. Jitin okay. Trisha is okay. Trisha I am good. Abhinav. Dakshita. Dakshita okay. Good. Good.
Ma'am, even I got 15.
Yes, very good. What about you, Abhi? Where is our Abhi?
Ma'am, I only, ma'am. Abhinay, I
Yeah.
got
Yeah. Good dear. Tarun. Good. Chetan. Good. Good. Not doing. Huh?
Ma'am, I also got the 15 as the answer.
Good. 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 Okay. What is the value? Got 15. Very good. So let me write it here as a V is equals to 15 volt. Okay. Is it clear, students? Can I go for next question?
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
fine? Okay.
Yes,
So let
ma'am.
me go for the next question. Please try to do it in your own. Fifth one, please take it on. An infinite plane of sheet. An infinite a plane of sheet of charge density or 10 to the power of minus 8. You please write it. I'll write it. 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb per meter square. Coulomb per meter square. I'll write it. Is held in the air. Is held in the air. Is held in the air. In this situation, how far are two equipotential potential equipotential a surface. What do you mean by equipotential surface? Any idea? Where potential difference, let me write it as a PD itself, potential difference of a 5 volt. Okay, let me write here. So it is the 10 to the power of minus, how much I told? It is the minus 8 is held in the air, coulomb per meter square in the air. You know how far apart to equipotential surface of the where potential difference of the 5 volt. Try to analyze the question. So they given this, you need to find out the where means at a distance you need to find out. Are you clear with the question, all of you? Are you clear? So what are the given quantities? Please try to write first. A given data, let me write an infinite plane of sheet of a charge density. A charge density means sigma is a 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb per meter square. So try to analyze this. What is sigma? What is sigma? Where you will get it? In plate sheet, you have you remember? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then dV is a given. dV is equals to how much? 5 volt. So this is the thing you got in the electrostatic field, electric field due to a plane sheet. Yes or no? Electric field plane sheet. What is the thing? Okay, electric field due to a plane sheet. What is the formula?
Sigma by 2 epsilon.
Yes.
Sigma by 2 epsilon.
Very good. Electric field due to a plane sheet is the E is equals to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, fine. So here the dV is given. Is that I got the sigma, I have the E. So is there any relation with the energy with the dV? We derived, right? So where E is equals to minus dV by dr, or let me take it as a mod, then E is equals to dV by dr. Okay, we are neglecting the negative sign with the dV by dr here. Okay, so let me write it here. E is equals to sigma by epsilon naught from the plane sheet. Here it is a dV by dr. Square those two equations, then what I'll get? A sigma by 2 epsilon naught is equals to a dV by dr. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Then what I need? dV I have, sigma I have. I know the epsilon naught value. Can you find out the dr? Okay. Then let me write a dr is equals to, yes, dr is equals to a 2 epsilon naught dV divided by sigma. Am I correct? 2 epsilon naught, okay, correct. 2 epsilon naught dV by sigma. 2 into 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12. dV is how much? Is a 5 volt divided by 10 to the power of minus 8. Then dr value. Please tell me the value in a mm. Tell me the value in a mm. What is there to calculate there? Idiots. 2 into 5, 10. 1. All are powers only. So then I can write it as the 8.85 only. Answer is the 8.85. So 10 power 1, 10 to the power of minus 12,
My 10 to the power minus
10 to the
4.
power of, yes, 10 minus 4, minus 3 na. Here 10 to the power of 1.
Ma'am, I made it 88.54.
Okay. 88.54 means 10 to the power of minus 4. 8.85 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Or else let me say it as the dr is equals to 8.85 mm. Okay. 8.85 mm. Okay. Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fine then. Please take it down and leave the class. Please join for the other classes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you all. Please glance whatever the things what we
Thank you, ma'am.
discussed today. Yeah, thank you. Thank you
Bye,
all.
ma'am.
Yeah, bye. Please take it on. Thank you all.
Ma'am, I got the answer 0.008854. Ma'am.